Today's going to be a really boring day. Okay, might as well check my calendar. Oh my gosh! Today's the day! I'm gonna go to the Strasburg Railroad in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania! Well, I better not waste any more time. I better get going! Oh yeah! What a great time I had in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. For some of you who do not know, this is actually my first time heading down to Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, so obviously enough, I had a great time while I was down there. I got some really great footage while I was down there. Now, if you want to know the Strasbourg Railroad and know what days you're gonna go down there, the link to its website is right down below for you guys to see. And and the video you saw of the train passing by, it was over at Cherry Crest Adventure Farm. So here is the logo to it, to check out its website. And I also got a really great footage while I was over at the Choo-Choo barn. So here are the footage right over here with the link to its website right next to it. So anyways, I'd like to thank my wonderful friend of mine, Tanner Asadorian, otherwise known as Sordor Adventures, for bringing me along to this exciting adventure I had down there. So I'm not gonna let it stop there, you know. And I'm just gonna continue on with what I'm doing, and I'll probably come back next year. Hopefully. Comment down below to know what railroad I'm gonna go to next. And also, in the meantime, go check out Sordor Adventures' series, Dover Valley Railroad Stories. It's really good though. I wish there were more episodes, but you know, he has a life. So nothing else to say about it. Thanks for watching, and bye.